This adorable little DIY boba kit from Zanzan Tea on Etsy includes 2 loose leaf tea flavors of your choice, 2 stainless steel boba straws and a cleaning brush, a directions booklet, and 10 servings of tapioca pearls. First, pour out 1/3 of a cup of tapioca pearls per each serving and soak overnight or until soft. If you don't want to wait for the next day for your boba, you can also boil 4 cups of water per 1/3 cup of tapioca, stirring continuously for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to prepare your tea. This time I'm using black tea. Add hot water and let it steep while you prepare your cup. Place about 1 serving's worth of prepared tapioca into the bottom of your cup. Now add some ice cubes. Pour in as much milk and sweetener as you want. Then it's time for the tea. Stir to combine everything and have a taste. Now we're going to do things a little differently. This time I'm going to use the green tea. I let a little steep in hot water and then added matcha powder for extra flavor. Then to a glass I added boba, sweetened condensed milk, ice, and then the green tea. A little bit of whipped cream and some matcha powder to garnish. Delicious!